Hello friends, welcome back to Coding Casually, and today what we're gonna do is we'll make a QR code using Python. I recently went to many restaurants and saw that there is no menu at the desks, neither there are leaflets on the tables. Instead, what they're doing is they're giving QR codes to customers, and then these guys are scanning them and then having a view at what is being offered at the restaurant. So similarly, if you want to make QR codes which have images or text, what you can do is you can simply do it using Python. And right now I am on Jupyter Notebooks. And before you go ahead and start making QR codes using Python, what you need is you need two modules. The first one is a QR code module and the other one is a pillow module. So if you want to install them, what you can do is you can go on to CMD, right, pip install QR code. I already installed it, so it would of course say requirement already satisfied. And similarly, what you can do is you can write pip install pillow. It's a image library for Python, and for me it is installed already. So if you have installed all these things, what you can do here is go back to the Jupyter Notebook or any other IDE that you wish to work on and write import QR code. And then this link that you can see here is a link to a Shutterstock image which states a menu of a restaurant. This is just a simple text. You can replace it with any other. The moment you have this, I'll make a fruit list. This is going to be a list of Python, and we can write apples and we can write mango. We have a list here. Now what we can do is we can write image, and then we can write QR code dot make, and then we can copy this. Now we have an image which states the QR code now, but you have to save this image as well. So write img.save, and then you have to give a location where you want to save it. I'll do a raw location, and then we'll try to give it a location. And I have already made few QR codes for you, but if you want to make another one, we can write this and then fruit new QR code .png. The moment I'll press run, and on my desktop I'll have fruits new QR code. You'll open it and you see that there is a QR code for this. If you want to scan the QR code through Python, there is a different library you can hop onto. But if you just want to make it, you can do it like this. Suppose if you want to make the QR code for the reference of this menu, you can just cut this, and instead of this, you can write, you can change all these things, and then instead of fruits, you can write this and say it's a menu QR. You simply do run, and then you'll see there is a menu QR. This is how you make a QR code using